something in the water?
At the bottom.
I don't see anything.
Did it hurt?
Can't remember.
Better that way.
I saw you before. You a patient here? Just you're so much younger than everyone else.
Director Volmer says I'm a special case. What about you? Are you here for the cure?
No. Actually, I was just leaving.
No one ever leaves.
Are you ready, Mr. Lockhart? Then let us begin. Life on this planet first came from water. We spent the first 9 months of our existence submerged, our bodies mostly liquid. This sensory deprivation chamber simulates a return to that embryonic state. Think of it as a cleansing of the mind as much as the body. Some patients experience increased heart rate, visions, even primal memories. But rest assured, it's just the toxins leaving the system. Give yourself over completely to the process, and you will see the results. Keep a close eye on him.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Was machen Sie hier?
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Was machen Sie hier? Sie haben ja nichts zu suchen.
Take it easy.
What? It's all right. Mr. Lockhart, every time I turn around, you're somewhere you're not supposed to be.
I guess I'm lost. I'm just trying to find my way back to my room.
This is a restricted floor. There are signs everywhere. Surely you didn't just wander down here by accident. What is it exactly that you are looking for?
I had a problem with my tooth.
The tooth?
Actually, it's feeling much better if you could just point me in the direction of my room.
Nonsense. We can't let you get an infection. You must let us take care of you. After all, that's why you're here.
Are you tired of not feeling well? Take the cure and take back your life. Side effects include sneezing, dry eyes, drowsiness, weight loss, nausea, skin eruptions, anxiety, severe hallucinations, unconsciousness, stroke, insanity, self-mutilation, murderous rage, and addiction to pain. On February 17th, take the cure. Rated R. Rated R.
There is a sickness inside us, rising like the bile that leaves that bitter taste at the back of our throats. It's there in every one of you seated around the table. Only when we know what ails us can we hope to find the cure.
What do you make of that?
Clearly, he's lost his mind.
Our thoughts exactly.
like you to go to Switzerland and bring Mr. Pembroke back to us.
What we offer here is a process of purification, away from the pressures of the modern world.
You plan to take Mr. Pembroke back with you?
Is that a problem?
He's a patient, not a prisoner.
You here for the cure?
No. Actually, I was just leaving.
No one ever leaves.
Welcome back, Mr. Lockhart.
Signs of concussion, depleted immune system. I would like to recommend a treatment.
Think of it as a cleansing of the mind, as much as the body. Some patients experience visions, but rest assured, it's just the toxins leaving the system.
There is a terrible darkness here. That was 200 years ago.
This is happening now. You said no one ever leaves. What happens to them? I saw the bodies!
Listen to yourself. You're not a well man.
You're trying to make me think I'm insane.
What's happening to me?
It's all part of the cure.
There is no cure!
Accept the diagnosis, and you will see. It's wonderful here.
You here for the cure?
I was just leaving.
No one ever leaves.
What is this place?
It's all part of the cure.
A cure for wellness. Rated R.
Are you ready, Mr. Lockhart? Then let us begin.
Hours to go. I wanna be sedated. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. I wanna be sedated. Just put me in a wheelchair, get me on a plane. Hurry, 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 before I go insane. Can't control my fingers, can't control my brain.
What we offer here is a simple process of purification. Give yourself over completely, and you will see the results.